What's stable, everybody? So today I'd like to talk to you about Fuji Dao. First thing that this is not a financial advice, but more of a review of Fuji Dao because as a borrowing protocol, they are offering something different and interesting. Also, they do not have a token yet, but I think this can be a learning opportunity for all of us to explore and see what are the new things coming up in the DeFi space. Now, Fuji Dao is a borrowing aggregator. Now, a typical use case on why would I want to borrow. For example, due to the market condition, I do not want to sell, but I need some stable. So here I can have my FTM as collateral and I can borrow USDC or other stable with it. Now, one of their unique selling point is that they are finding the lowest rate for you across different borrowing platforms. Now in this case, if I borrow 10 USDC with FTM, I'm borrowing it from 100 Finance at 1.11% APR. Now this health factor we have to pay attention because if the health factor turns 1, then we get liquidated. Just to go for a test drive, I borrow 10 USDC and have a collateral of 100 FTM. My health factor is 1.65. And on the right, it will also share with you the LTV, which is at 60%. And if FTM hits 0.17, I'll be liquidated. Now, I think what is interesting here is another feature of them, which is they are able to do refinance. So let's say the market condition change and there is a provider with lower borrowing rate, then they will rebalance your loan with another provider. Now this is what makes Fuji Dao interesting. Also right now they are having a campaign. So when you are borrowing for every $1 of debt, you earn meter points, and with the meter points you can buy blind boxes. So let's say I have 1000 meter point, I can claim for this common blind box, and you also give the probability of the outcome. So there's a 20% chance that I will get 0 points and a 5% chance that I will get a gear NFT. Now these are the gears NFT. They help you to boost the speed of earning the meter points, and if you do not want to get them with the blind box, you can also buy them on the marketplaces. Now I think the big question here is why do you want to take part in the game? So their objective is of course to let people know of Fuji Dao's borrowing aggregation capability, and also they are using this as a gauge, right, to give out 3% of their community shares to active users. Now the last part I want to share is that the team seems to be docs and backed by decent partners. I hope you learned something today about Fuji Dao. Two of their selling point is that they help you to find the lowest borrowing rates across different platforms, and if the market condition changes and there is a lower provider of interest rate, they will help you to do a refinance. So it's interesting to see how the DeFi borrowing market is evolving, and if this is helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.